Thinking about design, I think of something that is formatted or structured. A bridge comes to mind first for me. I think of this bridge as having to be designed or created just so that it will work for its given purpose. You can create bridges in many types of ways. You could create a walking bridge, a driving bridge for a car or a train, but each of these would have a different structure or organization. They would have a different design to make sure that what they have as a goal is met. They have to make sure that everything is organized just so that things work properly and everything is in order. Seen in this picture of Dr. J showing Chris how to use her iPad Touch, I think of instructional design. Instructional design is a way of combining details from other designs into education, teaching, and instructing. It's showing someone else how to do something that they might know by using the skills that you have. An instructional design model is something that you use to help create an instructional approach. It's kind of a guideline or an organizational tool to help you create your instructional design. How would you like to teach somebody things that you know? These instructions for this guideline for the instructional design model would be a framework to provide to maybe help you teach a class, teach a program, or teach a training. Instructional design technology has many different models, one of them being ADDIE. ADDIE was created for the United States Army when they were thinking and seeing soldiers come in without the training to use their specific tools. ADDIE stands for Analyze, Design, Develop, Implement, and Evaluate. These 5 tasks or steps are ways to create your instructional design. It would be a model for creating your program, training, class. The ADDIE model is seen in a circular form. You would start and analyze. What do you need? What is the goal? What are you trying to do? You would then design your program, develop your program, implement it, evaluate it, and then you may start the whole process over by analyzing, designing, developing, implementing, and evaluating new technologies and techniques. The ADDIE model would be used mostly in businesses, companies, and people who would need to use this as a training or training model. Seen in this picture is Michael Scott from The Office. He, in many of the episodes, would show or provide programs and trainings that had absolutely no structure to them. Perhaps he needed to create a more formal structure like the ADDIE approach. This picture makes me think of someone who has actually used an instructional design model to create their program.